This baby might like the weather.
Brett, don't you dare. Don't you. Brett Deckent. Brett Deckent. Polina, shoot him. Shoot him, Polina. Shoot him. He's a bad guy. Jackson. Jackson, give it back. Hey, Polina. You want Mommy to make him give it back?
No.
Jackson, 5, 4,
What? She said no.
3, 2. Thank you for doing the right thing.
For not killing me. Kill the doll. Ages 8, 6, really. Kill the doll. Kill the doll. See? Headshot. Where'd it go? What?
Are you shooting me now? Ah, you're scary.